Welcome back, everyone. We're gonna do a short unboxing video today. Received a little package from remember how I say their name. Brush Research Manufacturing. We got a little drink thing, koozie thing. We got a sticker. We got another sticker. And we got 2 pens. This company is known for making homes that go down into cylinders, you know. And I asked them if they want to send me some for the 268. We'll go turn around and show you the 268. There's the 268 right there. It's a Ford motor, 4-cylinder. 268, right? So, well, I'll put a link in the description to their website, and hopefully next video is me unboxing the homes. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video. Catch you on the next one.